Hello, my name is Bernd Leistler. I'm Vice President Production at CellGenix. CellGenix is a premium supplier of raw materials for cell and gene therapies. Today, CellGenix has more than 25 years of GMP and regulatory expertise in the field. It's important to stress that our mission is to enable and accelerate safe and efficient transition of cell, gene, and tissue engineered products from preclinical to post-approval clinical applications worldwide. Our ambition to serve licensed medicinal products has many implications, as you will see in the following slides. Our earliest activities was GMP cell processing, actually, which goes back to 1995, when we achieved the first GMP manufacturing license EU-wide. Then, until 2012, we have been processing umbilical cord blood and cultivated chondrocytes for autologous transplantation as some of our major products. Recombinant protein therapeutics were produced from 2001. Two own-developed vaccine manufacturing processes were used in successful phase 1 clinical trials, phase 1 and 2 clinical trials, sorry. From our experience with regulatory bodies, we realized the need of high-quality raw materials, or ancillary materials as they are named in some global regions, for cell therapy products. Our GMP experience with cell products and recombinant vaccines enabled us to manufacture high-quality reagents ourselves. Our products are distributed globally, in the US and in Europe by own sales reps, in the rest of the world, mainly in Asia, with distribution partners. Our major customers are pharma and biotech companies and increasingly contract manufacturing organizations. Our ambition is to provide complete sets of reagents composed of cytokine and serum-free media products for clinically relevant cell types in the cell and gene therapy space. This includes, first of all, T cells, natural killer cells, dendritic cells, hematopoietic stem cells, pluripotent stem cells, and some others. Our cytokine products are offered in two quality grades. First, preclinical grade as a cost-saving alternative for seamless transition from preclinical development to clinical stage. And second, GMP grade for further manufacturing use in cell and gene therapies. Both product grades are produced under the same conditions in a GMP facility using identical expression systems and major production steps. However, GMP documentation and regulatory support are added benefits of GMP grade products only. Our GMP products share three major quality attributes. They're safe by performing an extensive raw material qualification scheme and following our internal animal-derived component-free and serum-free policies. And they are shown to be pure, potent, stable, and consistent by following the relevant GMP guidelines in manufacturing and control. And our regulatory compliance is actively pursued, and therefore regulatory support can be given to customers. Altogether, this is why we believe that our products are suitable for their intended use in clinical ex vivo cell processing. As said earlier, we follow a clear and transparent animal-derived component-free policy. We've defined two levels. Level 1 means that there is no animal-derived component in the product, like all our cytokine products, but an animal-derived component may be used in the production process. This could be, for example, a human cell line or a separation material which has come in contact with animal material. Level 2 means that there is no animal-derived component part of the product, nor has been any used in the production. That's the highest safety level. Few words about GMP. Although a raw material manufacturer cannot be certified against GMP, neither in the EU nor in the US or anywhere else in the world, CellGenix has decided to adhere to the relevant GMP guidelines. This includes, for example, having an SOP system, having well-trained operators, manufacturing under clean room conditions with qualified equipment, using validated and consistent manufacturing and QC processes, having been doing an excessive stability program to provide a maximum amount of data on stability under different conditions, having implemented a CAPA system. CAPA stands for Corrective and Preventive Actions, and this includes out of specification handling, deviation handling, and change control management. All our products are released based on functional cell culture-based QC assays, and of course, each product is released based on preset release specifications. As a regulatory support, I should mention that drug master files have been submitted to the US FDA for all our GMP products. And all these drug master files have been converted into the electronic common technical document format. So we have a complete set of electronically available documents. For other global regions, we are prepared to submit customized documents for their regional authorities. And furthermore, tech notes are available on specific topics like stability of certain products under certain conditions. Now let me put a few words on supply security. To meet the strongly increasing demand of our raw materials in the future, we invested in capacity expansion early on. As a first step, completed in 2018, we realized facility expansions for our QC, for R&D, for logistics, and added a new warehouse. Then, in the second expansion step, we have just finished the expansion step, doubling the footprint for cytokine bulk production, and we've implemented an automated fill and finish line for our freeze-dried cytokine products. In parallel, scale-up measures were continuously conducted to increase yields per run. So, to summarize our competencies, we are the experts in GMP manufacturing of raw materials for cell and gene therapies by having more than 25 years of GMP experience in the cell and gene therapy field, because, as I've been showing in the first slide, we manufacture cell therapies ourselves. Our products, preclinical and GMP products, raw materials, offer seamless transition from preclinical development to clinical phase and beyond, maximum safety and quality, secure supply. We're prepared to sign supply agreements. We have a comprehensive quality documentation which can be audited on-site or virtually, and we are able to give expert regulatory support. For this, I thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much.